Hello good day viewers. In this tutorial we're going to find a solution to this interesting problem. We're asked to find the value of a given that the integral of 6 root x minus a from 1 to 4 with respect to x is equal to a squared. Alright, let's get started. We are going to integrate 6 root x minus a first before we set it to be equal to a squared. And you should know that square root of x can be written as x raised to the power of 1 divided by 2. Therefore, this can also be written as the integral from 1 to 4 of 6x to the power of 1 divided by 2 minus a, where a here is constant with respect to x. And the whole of this equal to a squared. Now let us integrate it term by term. We have 6x to the power of 1 divided by 2 plus 1. Whatever you obtain, you have to divide by the same power. So let me do that here. Divide by 1 over 2 plus 1, which I know is 3 divided by 2. Then we have minus a, but since a is constant, you just attach x. Our boundary from 1 to 4, and this is equal to a squared. Now let us simplify. We have 6x to the power of 3 divided by 2. Divide by 3 divided by 2 minus ax from 1 to 4 equal to a squared. You should know that 6 divided by 3 divided by 2 is the same thing as saying 6 divided by 3 multiplied by 2. 6 divided by 3 is 2, multiplied by 2 is 4. So this is 4x to the power of 3 divided by 2 minus ax from 1 to 4 equal to a squared. Now let us substitute our boundaries. Starting from the upper bound, we have, wherever we have x, we're going to replace it with 4. So we have 4 multiplied by 4 to the power of 3 divided by 2 minus a multiplied by 4. Then you subtract the lower bound. We have 4 multiplied by the lower bound is 1 to the power of 3 divided by 2 minus a multiplied by 1. Still, this is equal to a squared. This is the same thing as square root of 4 raised to the power of 3. Square root of 4 is 2. To the power of 3 is 8. So we have 4 multiplied by 8 minus a times 4 is 4a. The minus square root of 1 raised to the power of 3 is still 1. 1 to the power of any real number is 1 times 4 is 4. The minus a times 1 is a. This is equal to a squared. 4 times 8 is 32. So we have 32 here. We have minus 4a. You distribute this negative sign into the bracket. We have minus 4 plus a. And this is equal to a squared. 32 minus 4 is 28. So we have 28. Negative 4a plus a is negative 3a. Negative 3a. And this is equal to a squared. Now let us take every single term to the other side. We have a squared. If negative 3a crosses over, it becomes positive 3a. If 28 crosses over, it becomes negative 28. And the whole of this equal to 0. This is now a quadratic equation that can be factorized. Now let us think of two numbers we can multiply together to get negative 28. But when we add the two numbers, we get positive 3. That is negative 4 and positive 7. Negative 4, positive 7. We're going to set each to be equal to 0. Therefore, a could either be equal to positive 4 or a equal to negative 7. And hence, these are the possible values of a in that given problem. Thank you for watching. Do share to your learning colleagues. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more exciting videos. Bye-bye.